अनुरागम आनंदम श्रीकृष्णं जय कृष्णं श्रीकृष्णं जय कृष्णं संतोषं शिवशान्तं संतोषं शिवशान्तं नमः शिवं नमः शिवं नमः शिवं नमः शिवं अनुग्रहं जय अभयम् अनुग्रहं जय अभयम् वाणी उमा श्रीलक्ष्मीं वाणी उमा श्रीलक्ष्मीं रोगहरणं भयदूरं रोगहरणं भयदूरं श्रीगणेशकार्तिकेयं श्रीगणेशकार्तिकेयम् आनन्दभरणम् आनन्दभरणम् आञ्जनेयस्मरणम् आञ्जनेयस्मरणम् आनन्दभरणम् आनन्दभरणम् आञ्जनेयस्मरणम् आञ्जनेयस्मरणम् श्रीरामं रघुरामं श्रीरामं रघुरामं श्रीकृष्णं जय कृष्णं श्रीकृष्णं जय कृष्णं नमः शिवं नमः शिवं नमः शिवं नमः शिवं वाणी उमा श्रीलक्ष्मीं वाणी उमा श्रीलक्ष्मीं श्रीगणेशकार्तिकेयं श्रीगणेशकार्तिकेयम् आञ्जनेयस्मरणम् 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 हरिः ओम्। क्रोधि नाम संवत्सरम्। క్రోధి నామ సంవత్సరంలో అన్ని పంటలు బాగా పండుతాయి. భార్యాభర్తల నడుమ మైత్రి భావన తగ్గవచ్చు. అధికారులకు రాజులకు మధ్యన స్పర్ధలు ఏర్పడవచ్చు. పరస్పరము ఘర్షణలు కలుగుతూ ఉండవచ్చు. కాన్ఫ్లిక్టింగ్ అట్మాస్ఫియర్ విల్ ప్రివైల్ బిట్వీన్ కింగ్స్ అండ్ దోస్ హూ ఆర్ ఇన్ పవర్. నవనాయకుల ఫలితాలు. రాజు కుజుడు. నాయకులలో ఐక్యత తగ్గును. అగ్ని చోర రోగ భయములు ఉండవచ్చును. వర్షములు పంటలు తక్కువ కావచ్చును. మంత్రి శని. వర్షములు పంటలు సామాన్యము. ప్రజలు పాపకర్మల వైపు ఆసక్తులై అనురక్తులై కష్టములను ఎదుర్కొనవలసి వచ్చును. సేనాధిపతి శుక్రుడు. వర్షముల సమృద్ధి, స్త్రీ పురుష అన్యోన్యత వృద్ధి, శాంతి భద్రతలు పెంపొందింపబడి ప్రజలు సుఖముగా జీవించెదరు. సస్యాధిపతి కుజుడు అన్ని దేశములందు పంటలకు అనుకూలమై వర్షములచే ధాన్యములు విరివిరిగా పండును. ఎర్రరేగడి భూములందు పంటలు విరివిరిగా పండును. ధాన్యాధిపతి రవి సాధారణ వర్షములు కురియవచ్చును, ధరలు తగ్గును. ఎర్రని ధాన్యములు పుష్కలముగా పండును, అనవసర భయములు పెరుగును. అర్ఘాధిపతి శుక్రుడు పంటలకు వర్షములు సకాలములో కురియును. తెలుపు ధాన్యములు విరివిరిగా పండును, అంతటా సుభిక్షము. మేఘాధిపతి శుక్రుడు వర్షములు ఎక్కువగా కురియవచ్చును. గోక్షీర సంపద బాగా పెరుగును. దేశము సుభిక్షముగా ఉండును, ప్రజలు ఆరోగ్యముగా ఉండెదరు. రసాధిపతి గురుడు అన్ని పంటలకు అనుకూలమైనటువంటి వర్షములు. వృక్షాలు ఫలిస్తాయి, ప్రజలు ఆరోగ్యముగా ఉంటారు, సుభిక్షముగా ఉంటుంది. నీరసాధిపతి కుజుడు కస్తూరి, రాగి, పగడము, బంగారము, కుంకుమ, అగరు, రక్తచందనము వంటి ఎర్రని వస్తువులు సమృద్ధిగా లభించును. ఇవన్నీ కూడా నవనాయకుల ఫలితాలు. దీంట్లో ఎక్కువగా మంచి జరిగేటటువంటి సూచనలే కనిపిస్తూ ఉన్నాయి నవనాయకులు ఇప్పటిదాకా మీరు విన్న ఫలితాల్లో. సంవత్సరం ఏమో క్రోధినామ సంవత్సరం. క్రోధినామ సంవత్సరంలో క్రోధం ఎక్కువగా అవుతుంది అని నానుడి ప్రజలకి. మరి అదేవిధంగా క్రోధాన్ని తగ్గించుకునే అవకాశం కూడా ఇప్పుడే. యాంగర్ రైజెస్, నో డౌట్, బట్ ఓన్లీ వెన్ యాంగర్ రైజెస్ and attempts to go beyond our control, then only we will try to manage it, and then only we can bring it under control, then only we can subdue it, or at least surrender it, or at least let go of it, or at least by invoking God's grace overcome it. If individually we will not be able to do anything, then at least we will call higher help to come to our rescue. So Krodhinama Samvatsara is a great opportunity for anger management. I have heard that there was one wise counseling given by experts to manage anger. So there was one person who was taking this course. So the expert was giving the class, conducting the class session. So the expert said, see, I will teach you a simple technique. If you get into too much of anger, if the person who is there in front of you is your junior, count 30 and then talk. So by the time you count 30, the anger will vanish. Then you can talk normally. If the person is equal to you, count 40 and then talk. If the person is your superior, count 50 and then talk. If the person is your wife, keep counting, don't talk. If the person is your husband, keep talking, don't count. Those who have experienced it practically, they know it better. So there are various ways that are suggested. One of them is like this, management. పశునాయకుడు శ్రీకృష్ణుడు, పశునాయకత్వము యముని చేతిలో. కనుక అటు చెడు ఉంటుంది, ఇటు మంచి ఉంటుంది. అటు తగ్గుతుంది, ఇటు పెరుగుతుంది. కనుక పాడి వృద్ధి, గోవుల ఆరోగ్యము, మంచి పాలను అధికంగా ఇచ్చుట, పంటల వృద్ధి, అందరికీ ఆరోగ్యము శ్రీకృష్ణుని యొక్క ప్రమేయం ఉంది. కావున నౌ వి move into the rasis and the related results, astrological results connected with the various rasis. As per the astrology zodiac, the first one is Aries, Mesha Rasi. before we venture into it, I have heard something. Two smart people, they think they are smart. They went to attend one interview. The first one got the call. The second one said, you go and attend interview and come back and tell me the answers. I will go and answer. It will become easy for me. For you it may be tough because you are facing the interview first time. For me it will be easy because you would have already faced it and you will tell me the answer. Okay. He went. So the first question was asked, when did India get independence? This man said, it started in 1857 and finally concluded in 1947. And then the next question was, what do you understand about PM and who is PM? And that man said, PM changes regularly, AM, PM, PM, AM, regularly changes. And PM is Narendra Modi. Then the third question, what is the total number of population in India? This man did not know. He said, good question. Research is going on. After it is completed, I will let you know. They said, you can go. He came out. Then he told this other man who was waiting, this is how it was. Then this man went. He was asked, when were you born? He said, it started in 1857 and finally concluded in 1947. And then he was asked, who is your father? Narendra Modi. And then he was asked, you are answering like this? Are you mad? Then he said, good question. Research is going on. After it is completed, I will let you know. Now you can expect what would be the result of that interview. So, whatever might be the situation, whatever might be the condition, but if we are able to handle them well by our prayers, by the grace of God, by whatever knowledge and wisdom that we learn, then in spite of, irrespective of planetary positions, still we will be able to handle at least from our side in a better manner, in a better way. Rather than getting into fear and confusion because of planetary predictions. But we have to remember that above planets there is divinity, and that divinity is always ready to help us, to guide us, to support us, to lead us, to encourage us. All that we have to do is understand that there is divinity present to help us and offer our prayers. That is why even in astrology also, for dosha pariharam, whatever kind of dosham it might be there, how much ever severe the intensity of planets, evil eye might be there, finally they will say, you do this, 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 then it will all get appeased. So we need to understand that. So Aries, Mesha Rasi, good increase of pleasant things, enhance of prestige and good social standing, support from family, profit in real estate, flow of money, inflow, not outflow, strong finances, mental stability, courage, recognition of talents and skills, hard work certainly pays off. Another advice, a medical advice for Mesha Rasi, because of the planetary positions, drink sufficient water, do not neglect stomach and eye issues. Avoid argument with in-laws. Any in-law, avoid argument. And don't be rude. Mata viluva taggunu, ardhika purogati taggunu, mangala karyamulu ati kastamu meeda neraverunu, chikakulu perugunu, శ్రమతో విజయము, అనుకూలత, నిదానముగా విజయములు కలుగును. మానసిక ఆనందము, దైవ దర్శనము, కుటుంబ సౌఖ్యము, పేరు ప్రతిష్టలు పెరుగుట, ధనలాభము, దిగ్విజయము, సంతోషము, స్థాన చలనము, విదేశీ యానము. రెమిడియల్ మెజర్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ ఆల్వేస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఈ పరిష్కార మార్గాలు ఏవైతే చూపింపబడ్డాయో, ఇఫ్ we are able to at least do few of them, then certainly we will have a favorable situation. Listen to Kanakadhara Stotra. Offer Tulasi to Lord Vishnu. Worship of Goddess Durga. Offer lemon rice, parched rice to Goddess. Worship Lord Ganapati and consume little fennel after sunset, somp, after sunset. Skanda Stava Stotra Parayanam. These are all remedial measures. ఆదాయం 8, వ్యయం 14, రాజపూజ్యం 4, అవమానము 3. నెక్స్ట్ వృషభ రాశి, టారస్. స్మూత్ సెయిలింగ్ ఇన్ డొమెస్టిక్ అఫైర్స్, tactful dealing of stressful incidents without any discomfort, auspicious function in family, noticeable improvement in financial matters. You will be generous and you will donate liberally to religious institutions. This is not because of your nature but because of planetary influence. You may meet your soulmate, possibility of birth of a baby, new job opportunities, recognition, promotion, bonus. Yoga and meditation and walking will help you. Make whole grains and organic produce a part of your diet. This is all guidance because of the presence of the planets in that manner. ప్రయత్నములు ఎక్కువ, ఫలితములు తక్కువ, ఆర్థిక చికాకులు, స్వల్ప విరోధములు, అన్ని రంగములలో శుభ ఆధిక్యత, పనులు నెరవేరుట, శుభకార్యమూలక ధనవ్యయము, ధైర్య సాహసములు, నూతన కార్యములు, శుభవార్తలు, బంధుమిత్రులతో విందులు, వినోదములు, నూతన వస్తు వాహన ఆభరణ లాభములు, మనోల్లాసము, సంతృప్తి, గౌరవ మర్యాదలు. రెమెడియల్ మెజర్స్. సంకట నాశక గణేశ స్తోత్రం, శ్రీలక్ష్మి నృసింహ కరావలంబ స్తోత్రం, మీనింగ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రిసైట్ దెమ్. లక్ష్మీ అష్టకం, నిత్యము విష్ణు సహస్రనామ పారాయణము ఉత్తమము. Do not donate copper items to anyone this year. You can donate gold, but don't donate copper. ఆదాయం 2, వ్యయము 8, రాజపూజ్యము 7, అవమానము 3. 4 smart guys wanted to do business. So they approached one expert who gave his piece of advice. Then the rest is for them to implement. So they decided to start one hotel. They brought a good place, nice building, very well done, nice interiors, exteriors, good arrangement of cooks, servants, chefs, various other people who are involved. Inaugural day, hardly anybody came in. 1 week over, nobody came in. 15 days over, nobody came in. After 1 month, they called that expert. What happened? Your advice we followed and nobody is coming in. That expert said, what did you keep at the entrance? A board. What? Visitors not allowed. When there is a board, visitors not allowed, why will anybody will come into hotel? People thought it is maybe private and personal. They didn't come. So then they said, no, we want to change this. Suggest something else. Then they discussed it and finalized a car garage. Ultra modern, latest car garage. They started it. After 2 weeks, nobody came. Then again they called this expert. Said, car should reach the garage. It should be accessible to car. You kept it in 5th floor, where there is no elevator, no escalator, nothing. How can car garage function there? So that also failed. They said, suggest something else. They thought taxi. So they bought a nice taxi, nice car, and painted it as taxi, and went to the busiest spots. Nobody is entering it. Nobody is coming and then asking for help. Then they asked, what happened? Then the expert came and said, you are 4 people. When 4 people sit inside the taxi, who will come? One driver is there, anybody else will come. 4 people you are sitting and expecting somebody else to come and then take the taxi for a drive? Nobody will come. Then they decided, we don't want your advice. We have decided. Now we will dump this into a lake. So that they went and then started pushing the taxi. It is not moving. Then they observed what happened. 2 people are pushing from front, 2 people are pushing from back. Where it will go? So, because of planetary influences, when mind gets confused, people will become like that. But yet, due to various other counseling, advisors, good consultation, of course, remedial measures, we can overcome those influences. The next one, Gemini, Midhuna Rasi. Long felt desires would materialize. Improved vitality. Friends and social contacts enhance your social status. You may take sudden decisions to face unexpected developments in life. Agricultural lands will give increased yield. Influential people will support your projects. Good news awaits you. Professional advancement happens for you. Relief from health issues. Take care of spine and chest issues, if any. Yoga and meditation will definitely help you. Travels bring pleasure and profits. Aged people of Midhuna Rasi, guard yourself against a slip and a fall. Be careful. శుభ ఆధిక్యత, ఖర్చులు పెరుగుట, తక్కువ అభివృద్ధి, ప్రయత్నములందు ఊహించిన విజయము, మానసిక ఆందోళన, అనారోగ్య భావన, అడ్డంకులు, సౌఖ్యము, గౌరవ మర్యాదలు, శక్తి సామర్థ్యములు, ధనలాభము, చెడు పనులకు దూరంగా ఉండవలనని సూచన. అంటే వేరే టైంలో చేయొచ్చని కాదు. మానసిక ఆనందము, విందులు, వినోదములు, అభివృద్ధి, సంతృప్తి, కుటుంబ విషయములపై అనాసక్తి, కార్య ఆలస్యము, కార్యములు వాయిదా పడుట. One man went to the interview. The interview was related to a teacher in English subject. So this man went. And then the interviewer said, I will say something, you have to tell me the opposite. I will say something, you have to tell me the opposite. He said, okay. The interviewer said, good. This candidate said, bad. The interviewer said, come. The candidate said, go. Then the interviewer said, ugly. That fellow understood ugly Hindi. This man said English ugly. And then this fellow understood in his own way, said, Pichli. Again he said, ugly. He said, Pichli. By the time interviewer got disturbed and said, shut up. He said, keep talking. He is following sincerely. Shut up, keep talking. Get out, he said. Come in. Oh my God, said the interviewer. This man said, oh my devil. Then the interviewer said, you are rejected. And this man said, I am selected. So it is opposite. He is right in his own way. So, may we understand things in a proper manner so that we will also behave in a proper manner. Remedial measures: worship Lord Dakshinamurti, chant Durga Shaptasati, chant Vishnu Sahasranamam, sit in meditation for 30 minutes daily, Midhuna Rasi, take bath in holy river, donate for unclaimed dead bodies funeral purpose, funeral rites. Nityamu Subramanya Kavacha Stotra Parayanamu. ఆదాయం 3, వ్యయం 6, రాజపూజ్యం 5, అవమానం 5. నెక్స్ట్ క్యాన్సర్, కర్కాటక రాశి. బీ కూల్ అండ్ కాంటెన్షియస్ ఇష్యూస్ కెన్ బి అవాయిడెడ్. కాన్ఫ్లిక్టింగ్ ఇష్యూస్ కెన్ బి అవాయిడెడ్. ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ ఆఫ్ సోషల్ నెట్వర్క్, రీజనబుల్లీ గుడ్ హెల్త్, religious pursuits and pilgrimages, good inflow of finances, good support from associates, promotion. Differences with kith and kin need to be nipped in the bud. So if there are any differences that are cited with kith and kin, do not let them go further. Just we have to avoid them. The best way is you have to step down, take a step backward. Just ignore, just forgive, just excuse, or let go. That will be the best thing. Do not go for loans this year, but clear your debts. Carefully balance your financials. Don't venture for new assignments without careful study or observation. Drink warm water at least once a day. Keep digestive supplements handy. Hectic work awaits you. Be careful in domestic issues. Don't rake up controversies by yourself. పనులు నెరవేరుట, చికాకులు పెరుగుట, విఘ్నములు ఎక్కువగుట, అన్ని ప్రయత్నములందు విజయము కలుగును. బంధుమిత్ర కలహములు కలగవచ్చు. సౌఖ్యము, శుభవార్తలు, గౌరవ మర్యాదలు, ధనలాభము, శక్తి సామర్థ్యములు గుర్తింపబడుట, దైవ దర్శనము, ఆకస్మిక కలహాల వలన వైరము, దాని వలన అప్రతిష్ట, మోసపోవుట, ఇటువంటి ఫలితాలు కలగవచ్చును. రెమెడియల్ మెజర్స్: రెమెడీస్ టు జుపిటర్ అండ్ సాటర్న్, meaning Shanti for Guru Graha and Shani Graha. Chant Sankata Mochana Hanuman Ashtakam. He will take care of both. Visit any shrine of Shani Bhagavan and do Abhishekam with gingerly oil. Offer foodstuffs prepared with black gram to crows on Saturday. Donate mustard oil to poor persons on Saturday. Wear slippers while taking bath. గణేష స్తోత్ర పారాయణము. ఆదాయము 14, వ్యయం 2, రాజపూజ్యము 6, అవమానము 6. One man was standing with his friend in a function. So they were discussing about the smartness of drivers. So the discussion went on. Suddenly this man called his driver and said, drive the car home and find out whether I am there. Drive car home and find out whether I am there. And the driver started going. And the other man said, he is a fool. Why is he going there? He could have called home and asked whether you are there or not. So this man also doesn't understand things properly. So proper understanding is very important. Information might be there, but we need to understand in a very proper way. Simha Rasi, Leo, timely help from spouse makes you happy. Family bliss, good relations with family and friends, good social life, auspicious functions, affection and cooperation from siblings, harmonious marital life, promotions and perks, financial and moral support from elders, especially mother. Achievements of children will keep you very happy. Watch your behavior and hold your tongue. Watch your behavior and hold your tongue. Simha Rasi, Leo. Don't change jobs in fit of anger. You will have to suffer. Do not lose your temper. Stay cool. Take care of your health and your spouse's health. Stomach disorders, possible. Mental anguish, fear may bother you. సమస్యలు తీరును, శుభకార్యములు జయప్రదమగును, కుటుంబ సౌఖ్యము తగ్గవచ్చును, అనారోగ్యములు ఆందోళనలు కనపడవచ్చును, మాట విలువ ఆర్థిక పురోగతి తగ్గును, ధనలాభము, విందులు వినోదములు, దైవదర్శనము, బంధుమిత్ర కలహములు, ఆరోగ్యము పట్ల జాగ్రత్త అవసరము, సంతృప్తి, మంచి పేరును గడిస్తారు, ఇతరులకు ఆదర్శవంతులుగా మెలుగుతారు, స్త్రీ బంధు మిత్ర కలయికలు సంతోషాన్ని కలిగిస్తాయి. A person went to the bank to open a savings account. He took that application and started filling it up. After a while, suddenly he stopped and at the earliest possible period of time, he went to New Delhi. His friend asked, what happened? You said you are into bank and then you are filling the application, and suddenly in the evening your wife tells me that you are in New Delhi. Why? It is mentioned here in that application, fill in capital. So I have to fill in capital, so I went to New Delhi. So that is how he understands. Remedial measures. Recite Guru Gayatri 108 times a day for 16 days for dosha pariharam of Simha Rasi. Visit shrine of Kartikeya and perform milk abhishekam. Perform Ganapati Homam. Donate 9 yellow color bananas in a temple on Thursday. Do not trust anything without double verification. Advice given. నారాయణ కవచ స్తోత్ర పారాయణం. ఆదాయం 2, వ్యయం 14, రాజపూజ్యం 2, అవమానం 2. కన్యా రాశి వర్గో. లాట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రామిసింగ్ ఫార్చ్యూన్స్, ఎన్హాన్స్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ సోషల్ స్టేటస్, ఆస్పీషియస్ ఈవెంట్స్, success in court cases and victory in elections. Happy and cordial ties with relatives and friends. Financial affluence. Money, land, house, vehicles will be received in proper frame of time. Disposing vehicles and property will fetch good price. Recognition from higher ups. Your skills, hard work, intelligence will pay off rich dividends. Guard against illicit practices and avoid continuous strenuous jobs. Be careful while driving and handling sharp objects. Avoid getting emotionally drained. Do not overreact. Be cautious in documentation of visa process. విఘ్నములు ఎక్కువ, కుటుంబ బంధు చికాకులు, సమస్యలు తీరును, శ్రమతో కూడిన విజయము, శ్రమకు తగిన ఫలితములు కలుగును. ప్రయత్నములు ఎక్కువ, ఫలితములు తక్కువ. కోపమును తగ్గించుకొనండి. బంధుమిత్ర విందు వినోదాలు, ధనలాభము, భక్తి శ్రద్ధలు ఈ సంవత్సరం అధికంగా ఉంటాయి. దైవ దర్శనము కలుగుతుంది. నూతన గృహ నిర్మాణము కలుగవచ్చు. శత్రుబాధలకు దూరంగా ఉంటారు. సమస్యలు తొలగిపోతాయి. ఆరోగ్యము కలుగుతుంది. ఆధ్యాత్మిక కార్యక్రమాలలో పాల్గొంటారు. విదేశీ యానము ఫలిస్తుంది. సహనముతో ఉండండి, అన్నీ సర్దుకుంటాయి. రెమెడియల్ మెజర్స్: విజిట్ లార్డ్ శివాస్ టెంపుల్ ఆన్ మండేస్ and perform Rudra Abhishekam. Visit Durga temple on Tuesdays and offer prayers. Worship Lord Ganesha. Meditate on your family deity. On Fridays, gift green glass bangles to 7 unmarried girls. Do not indulge in speculative activities. Shiva Datta కవచ స్తోత్ర పారాయణము. ఆదాయం 5, వ్యయం 5, రాజపూజ్యం 5, అవమానము 2. నెక్స్ట్, తులారాశి, లీబ్రా. కంజీనియల్ హౌస్ హోల్డ్ అట్మాస్ఫియర్, మోడరేట్ లెవెల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్. సంథింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎల్డర్స్ విల్ కమ్ టు యూ. స్టాక్ మార్కెట్ విల్ yield good results. Fulfillment of long pending desires will happen. Spiritual outlook will influence your mind. Good progress in financial matters. Professional progress as well. Now the other side. Stay calm and do not overreact. Allow freedom to other family members. Don't insist your thoughts on them. Politicians, be careful in switching loyalties to political parties. It will not work this time. Exercise great caution in performing duties. Avoid dehydration. Perform pranayama or any other kind of breathing exercises to keep up your good health. Diet, physical activities, medicines will help. సమయమునకు ఆదుకొని వారు ఉంటారు. చాలా శ్రమ ఉంటుంది. విఘ్నములు ఎక్కువగా ఉంటాయి. మానసిక కష్టములు, అనవసర చికాకులు బాధిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. అనారోగ్యములు కలగవచ్చును. వ్యతిరేకతలు పెరుగుతాయి. అలాగే దిగ్విజయం కలుగుతుంది. కార్య సాఫల్యము, ఆరోగ్యము, గౌరవ మర్యాదలు, శుభవార్తలు. కోపం తగ్గించుకోండి. కఠిన సంభాషణల వలన ఇబ్బందులు కలుగుతాయి. కావున కఠిన సంభాషణలకు దూరంగా ఉండండి. మనోల్లాసము, లాభములు, ధైర్య సాహసములు, తీర్థయాత్రలు, దైవ దర్శనము. A person joined a multinational company. On the very first day in the office, he dialed up one number because that office had lot of facilities provided. So he dialed up one number and said, "You idiot, get me coffee right away." The man on the other side said, "How dare you speak like this? Do you know who you are talking to?" He said, "I don't know. I am the managing director. You dialed the wrong number." Then this man shouted, "Do you know who you are talking to?" He said, "No, thank you. Put down." Mistakes can be made. but intelligence is required to come out of them immediately. Remedial measures. Abhishekam to Bhagavan Shiva with sugarcane juice, curds, milk, honey every Monday for 3 weeks will certainly help. Recite Aditya Hrudayam and Surya Ashtakam in morning times. If possible, do Surya Namaskarams in mornings. It will certainly improve the health. Wear black color inner garments this year. Maintain harmonious relation with brothers. Lakshmi Narayana Hrudaya Stotra Parayanam will help you. Adayam 2, Vyayam 8, Rajapujyam 1, Avamanam 5. Next, Vrishchika Rasi, Scorpio. Contentment in family matters. You will achieve tasks by polite and pleasant language and calm thinking. Polite and pleasant language and calm thinking. Fortune is smiling. Wealth and prosperity will flow in. New construction is on cards. Sticking to righteousness, meaning dharma, and goodness will make high money flow naturally this year for Vrishchika Rasi. But you have to hold on to righteousness and goodness. All kinds of partnerships, including your marriage, will yield good fruits to you this year. Intuition and cleverness will get you more opportunities to earn money. Risk of falling from high places indicated. So be careful when you go to such high places. Regular health checkups will do a lot of good for you in proper time. Devotion and spiritual activities will regulate your emotions and subdue your tensions this year. Maintain clean food habits to avoid health disorders. Please do not rub wrong side of your spouse. Deal with the spouse tactfully and use a bit of diplomacy. Favorable for fortunes abroad. Harmonious behavior of subordinates and colleagues indicated. Saukhya Vriddhi, Samayamunaku Adukonuvaru Untaru, Sahaya Sahakaramulu Baga Labistai, Labhamulu Kalugutai, ఊహించని మానసిక చికాకులు కలగవచ్చు, బంధు మిత్ర వైరములు కలగవచ్చు. అయినప్పటికీ విజయము వరిస్తుంది. సంపూర్ణ ఫలితములు లభిస్తాయి. ఆరోగ్యము, గౌరవ మర్యాదలు లభిస్తాయి. స్థాన చలనము ఏర్పడవచ్చు. బంధుమిత్రులతోటి విందులకు వినోదములకు వెళతారు. నూతన వస్తు ఆభరణములు లభిస్తాయి. కార్య సాఫల్యము కూడా ఉంటుంది. మానసిక ఆందోళన కూడా కలగవచ్చు. One person asked his friend, "What do you do when you feel hot?" The other man said, "I go to the AC and sit beside it." I go to the AC and sit beside it. Still, if you feel hot, what you will do? Then I switch on the AC. It is his choice. Remedial measures. Visit Shani Bhagavan's temple and perform till oil abhishekam. Recite Shani Stotram and Durga Ashtakam daily. Recite Ketu Stotram and worship Lord Ganesha. Daily after sunset, you may burn camphor, meaning one arati can be performed to your chosen deity. But this is after sunset. At home, if you have a business, at business place. But if you are doing it in any multinational company, ask their permission. Homeopathy medicines will be more effective for you this year for Vrishchika Rasi. Durga Saptasloki Parayanamu. Adayam 8, Vyayamu 14, Rajapujyamu 4, Avamanamu 5. Sagittarius, Dhanush Rasi. Parents and siblings will support and lend a helping hand. Marital life will be a smooth sailing. Transfers are indicated. Buying and renovating and extending home indicated. New partnerships and new business ventures possible. Favorable time to win confidence of your higher level people. Be cautious in speculation and real estate matters. Food habits, regular exercise, and recreational activities will keep you fit. Good exposure to sunlight is very good for you this year. Muscular pains are indicated. Be careful with waterborne diseases during your travels. Love affairs will bloom into marriages. Be careful in handling family issues. Open, sincere talk with your spouse is suggested. Beneficial. మానసిక కష్టములు, అనవసర చికాకులు, నిదానముగా విజయములు, అడ్డంకులు తొలగి జయములు కలుగును. సహాయ సహకారములు బాగా లభించును. ధనలాభము, గౌరవ మర్యాదలు, కుటుంబ సంతోషము, ఆరోగ్యము, వ్యవసాయ లాభములు, కార్య సాఫల్యము, మానసిక ఆనందము, గుర్తింపు. రహస్య శత్రుబాధలు ఉండవచ్చు. స్త్రీలతో తగాదాలు ఏర్పడవచ్చు. On a platform, the train started off just then. So two people started running to get into the train. One was walking briskly, other was running, telling the other person, come on, run, come on, run. But somehow he ran faster and jumped into the bogie. Then the co-passenger there clapped and congratulated. Well done, well done. Then only this man realized and said, I came to see him off. He had to get into the train. I got into it. So in a fit of hurry, that happened. So maintain coolness, then we can overcome them. Then remedial measures. Donate kumkum or turmeric in any Devi or Shakti temple. Worship Lord Dhanvantari and Lord Vishnu in any form for your sound health this year. Recite Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram. Also recite Hanuman Chalisa for mental peace. Distribute red colored clothes to needy on Thursdays. Float 400 grams dried solid turmeric sticks in a flowing river. Avoid wearing black clothes. Shri Gajanana Stotra Parayanamu. Adayam 11, Vyayam 5. Rajapujyam 7, Avamanam 5. Makara Rasi, Capricorn. Conjugal bliss indicated. You may go abroad to spend time with relatives. Good time for politicians. Financial support from family members. Sufficient income will be generated. Restless, reckless repentance possible. Due to restlessness and recklessness, you will have to repent. Avoid heated exchanges and unnecessary arguments with spouse. Outflow of money will exceed inflow. Partnerships may show signs of cracks and breaks. Transfers to unwanted distant place possible. Lack of appreciation from bosses may depress you. Good cooperation from colleagues and subordinates will elate you. Special attention required in your health care. Maintain good food habits. Domestic harmony is disturbed. Problems from in-laws are indicated. Take good care of eyes. One advice is given. Try to cheer up and please your spouse frequently. అనారోగ్య భావన, మానసిక ఆందోళన, అయిన వారితో చికాకులు, విరోధములు పెరగవచ్చును. కార్యసిద్ధి కలుగును. శుభ అశుభ మిశ్రమము. సమస్యలు తీరును. అభివృద్ధి, ధనలాభము కలుగుతాయి. కుటుంబ సౌఖ్యము ఏర్పడుతుంది, గౌరవ మర్యాదలు సంప్రాప్తిస్తాయి, చెడు పనులకు దూరంగా ఉండండి, ప్రయాణము వలన లాభములు, ఆటంకములు కలగవచ్చు, నూతన కార్యములు వాయిదా పడవచ్చు. One person asked another, what is the difference between filmy life and real life? Filmy life and real life. He said, I cannot tell you about all aspects, but I can tell you in one aspect. What? He said, in filmy life, one has to face lot of difficulties before marriage. In filmy life. And then you get married in the end. But in real life, after marriage, you will face lot of difficulties. That is the difference. It is his way of understanding. Remedial measures. Recite Lord Shiva Ratnamala Stavam daily. Navagraha Pida Harana Stotram also daily. Surya Astakam. Visit shrine of Shani Bhagavan and offer prayers. Recite Lord Venkateshwara Suprabhatam on Saturdays. Once a month, donate on Saturdays 200 grams whole black unbroken pulses to poor people. Daily read Vishnu Sahasranamam after taking bath. Daridrya Dahana Shiva Stotra Parayanam will help. ఆదాయం 14, వ్యయం 14, రాజపూజ్యం 3, అవమానం 1. అక్వేరియస్ కుంభరాశి. లవ్ అఫేర్స్ లీడ్ టు మ్యారేజ్. సపోర్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ పేరెంట్స్ పాసిబుల్. ఫైనాన్షియల్ సపోర్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ స్పౌస్ విల్ మేక్ యూ హ్యాపీ. ఆస్పీషియస్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఎట్ హోమ్. సిబ్లింగ్స్ ఎర్న్ మనీ. ఫైనాన్షియల్ సపోర్ట్ ఈస్ possible. No dearth of money. Partnerships, businesses will do very well. Moderate success in speculation. Gain goodwill of superiors through commitment to work. Enhancement of pay package. Long distance journeys are indicated. Peace and comfort at home. Children will do well. Improvement in family affairs. Gastritis and rheumatic pains and arthritis may bother you. Neurological issues may surface. So, go for regular medical checkups to keep them under control. Avoid fried food items with high level of fats, as they may cause ulceration in intestines this year for Kumbha Rasi. Karya Siddhi. పలుకుబడికి నష్టము, అనారోగ్యము కలగవచ్చు, అడ్డంకులు ఏర్పడవచ్చు. సుఖప్రాప్తి, ధనప్రాప్తి, మానసిక ఆందోళన కలగవచ్చు, విమర్శలకు లోనవ్వవచ్చు, బంధుమిత్రులతో విరోధము కలగవచ్చు, అనవసర నిందల వలన అపకీర్తి. సంతృప్తి కలుగుతుంది, ధనలాభం ఏర్పడుతుంది, అనుకూల వాతావరణం కూడా ఏర్పడుతుంది, మానసిక ఆనందము, మంచి గుర్తింపు లభిస్తుంది. ముఖ్యమైనటువంటి వ్యక్తులను, గొప్ప వ్యక్తులను కూడా కలుస్తారు. In one bank, outside there was one ATM. Regularly there was a problem that was surfacing in the ATM. So one guard was appointed to watch it from a distance. So one day, one woman came and tried to operate that ATM. And exactly when it said enter pin, she removed hairpin and entered it. And that is the reason for the repairs of the ATM. The patient was being inquired by the doctor because he went and said, I have itching problem, I have pricking problem of skin, I have burning problem, I have so many problems. Then the doctor asked, which soap you use? Bajrang soap, Bajrang brush, Bajrang paste, he said. I asked about one, you told 3. Is Bajrang an international company? No, my roommate. Then doctor said, that is the reason you are getting all these problems. Remedial measures. Recite daily Sri Lakshmi Nrusimha Karavalamba Stotram. Perform Navagraha Homam with special emphasis on Shanigraham. Poor feeding on Saturdays will help you. Sponsor educational expenses of poor children to reduce your problems caused by planets. Donate umbrellas and clothes to the needy. If possible, donate blood. Feed crows with savories and biscuits. Take important decisions after sunset. Ghora Kasta Uddharana Stotra Parayanam. ఆదాయం 14, వ్యయం 14. రాజపూజ్యం 6, అవమానం 1. Now the last one, Meena Rasi, Pisces. Domestic happiness, smooth family affairs, legacy or windfall gains are likely. Wedding bells will ring once again, is the indication. That you know better. Educational excellence of children, big auspicious function on cards. You may go abroad for employment. Good financial planning and management is required for great success, and you will achieve success. Peaceful work environment. Normal year without any ups and downs in career. Stick to your current job, work sincerely, and be obedient to your boss. Spiritual discourses and philosophical outlook will avert untoward mishaps related to health. So this year, for Meena Rasi, whether you know or not, keep discoursing and have philosophical outlook. It will avert untoward mishaps. Be careful, avoid accidents and injuries. Falls from high places are indicated. Do not brood on unpleasant happenings, as this may lead to bad health. Active cooperation of friends and colleagues will help you. మంచి చెడుల మిశ్రమము, అంతటా విజయము. పలుకుబడికి నష్టము కలగవచ్చు, కానీ సమయమునకు ఆదుకునేవారు వచ్చి మిమ్మల్ని ఆదుకుంటారు. ధర్మ కార్యములపై ఆసక్తి కలుగుతుంది. దైవ దర్శనం కలుగుతుంది. కుటుంబ సౌఖ్యము, ధనలాభము, శుభవార్తలు, సత్ఫలితములు, ఆత్మీయుల సహాయములు, విదేశీ యానము. కలహములకు విరోధములకు దూరంగా ఉండండి. అటువంటి పరిస్థితులు ఎదురొచ్చినా తప్పించుకొని పక్కకు వెళ్ళిపోండి. ఆందోళనను అపకీర్తి కలగవచ్చు. Once a person went to Chennai to meet his friend. Then that friend took him to Burma market. Burma market is a place where a lot of foreign goods are available. So he went there. But the friend advised, see, whatever they say, you ask half, for half the price. So he thought for a while and decided, okay. Then he went and asked, how much is this sound system? They said, 20,000. He said, 10,000. The other person said, 15,000, 7,500. 10,000, 5,000. Then that man said, 5,000, 2,500. That seller got disturbed and said, take it free. This man said, give me 2. Remedial measures. Recite Sankata Nashana Ganesha Stotra for 7 weeks on Wednesdays. Perform Lakshmi Ganapati Homam. Recite Lord Venkateshwara Stotra on Saturdays for 8 weeks. Visit Shani temple on Shani Trayodasi and offer prayers. Keep a dry stick of black turmeric wrapped in yellow cloth in your home in puja room. Wear a silver chain around your neck. Dattatreya Stotra Parayanamu will help you. Adayam 11, Vyayam 5, Rajapujam 5, Avamanamu 4. Above all, one thing is most important. Planets only indicate our purva kruta karma in a manifesting state. That's all. Planets are not bad. So planets are only representatives of the fructification of our karmas. Above planets, gods are there. So offer prayers to gods, surrender to your chosen deity, offer prayers, seek the help, sincere prayers, devotional hymns, chants will definitely lessen and soothen life and living in spite of hurdles caused by planetary positions. Another important thing is in Panchanga Shravanam, where all of us are listening only. Even though Patanam is there, it is only Shravanam that is happening. This kind of Shravanam already will lessen the evil effects by a great percentage as per the astrology. Because we are listening to them, this will definitely help us to lessen. And advisors are always there. So let us make our life and living easy and smoother to the extent possible by following these advices and by invoking God's grace. Trust Bhagavan can make us overcome any hurdle, but that should not make us negligent and careless. We have to do what we have to do. Whatever might be the tough situation, invoke God's grace, God's blessings. Definitely the help will come and we will be made to overcome the obstacles, surpass the hurdles. Certainly, because Bhagavat Krupa is apara and Bhagavat Kataksha is endless upon all of us. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.